May profits be upon you. Welcome to another weekly market forecast. We're looking at silver, silver futures. Okay. Now we're looking at the monthly. Look how strong silver has been over the last 8 months, just straight up. Pow. All right. And you can see there was some bullish fair value gaps that are one that had formed, never was revisited, and we have one forming now. We got to wait until this candle closes before we can say this is a fair value gap between this high and this low. I didn't mean to do that. This low here. All right. So we have nothing but bullish order flow here. Nothing about this says short it. Let's go to the weekly. On the weekly, you can see that we have a bullish fair value gap right here. Let me see. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. All right. We got a bullish fair value gap right here. Price did almost came down to retest it, but it didn't quite get there. Wait a minute. Here. I got this wrong. I see it. There it is. All right. Bullish fair value gap. And then we have another one. Let me see if I can get this. I almost had it. Almost had it. Crazy. All right. I'm not going to get it. I thought I could double it, and I tried. All right. So we have the bullish fair value gap right here. Okay. For me, this is just one area. All right. Just one area. All right. Price didn't come back. Didn't push back into it. Either one of them. Either this one or the larger one. It just kept shooting straight up. And I want you to make note that this weekly candle, last week's candle, closed way above the high of the trading range of the previous weekly candle, which would mean this next candle that's opening up right now as we speak should be trading towards this high, to at least that high, which is the all-time high. Yeah. All right. If we go to the daily, what do we see? All right. Let me get this back. Hold on. Let me get that back to looking like what it was. I'm losing my mind. Don't lose your mind. All right. And if we go to the daily, all right, I got the outline of that fair value gap. But you see how the market went sideways, right, after this rally. It moved sideways. Then we had the breakout, right? And then it moved sideways again, right? And then we had another breakout. Okay. Here we have that breakout, and we have the pullback. This is what I want you to see. Short-term pullback into this bullish fair value gap on the daily. This is a daily fair value gap, which is intersected by this high. All right. Gives it a lot, it gives it more, gives me more confidence that it will hold price once it gets revisited. So if price does come back down here, I'm looking for price to bounce here and continue up higher. You understand? So this is a dip buying opportunity. Yes, it is. All right. Now, if we go down to the 4-hour, what do we got? Come on. Why are you taking so long? Come on. This is ridiculous. This internet is so fired. All right. Fired. All right. You see how on Friday price moves down. This is profit taking right here. That's all this is. All right. Where did price move to though? Into this sell before the stronger buy. This is an order block, and it is an area of demand. All right. And what does that mean? What does it mean to me? Well, there's a good chance that price will hold. All right. We'll at least get a reaction, but this is a very large bearish fair value gap here. Okay. And price may, as it's reacting to it, depending on the reaction, we may see it come down to take out these lows here. All right. These lows here, which is what? The higher time frame POI that I'm watching. I'm looking for price to come back to this higher time frame, POI, all right, place of interest. And if it does make it down here, I'm looking for price to give us the signature that says it is going to go higher. All right, so I am watching this fair value gap on the daily. All right, I'm looking for price to contact that daily fair value gap. Now, that 4 hour order block that I pointed out, it may hold, it may not. We're going to watch the reaction to it. But I just want you to remember. I want you to remember something. This is a sell before the stronger buy. Price didn't leave with a lot of oomph. All right, so not a lot of strength in that move, but it did go higher. But it makes me think that it's not going to hold, especially with this candle here. This is showing that price was already, this range was already traded into. So uh, when price does revisit it, which it's doing now, and you see these muted reactions here, where it's not like a push higher like that. It's just you know, you know what I mean. It makes me think that this is a weak area, and that we're going to take out that low. We're going to sweep that low, and maybe find the support that we're looking for in the daily fair value gap. All right. And I'm going to be looking at that daily fair value gap hard. Let me tell you. Okay. I'm going to keep my eye on it. All right. And if I see if I get a reaction, I'm going to go down to the lower time frames, the 1 hour, and then the 5 minute for my entry. I'm going to go down to 1 hour to see if I get that break of market structure to the upside. If I see a change in the state of delivery, you know what I mean, a chalk, a change in character, I want to see it on the lower time frames. And if it happens here, I want to take a high probability buy to the upside. All right. If this doesn't hold, then we'll be back into this mess. All right, down here. And we'll see what happens after that. All right. But yeah, I'm not looking to short this market. No, I am not looking to short this market. You can take a short if you're what do you call it? A scalper. A scalp. This is scalper's delight. Take that short, and then when it gets down here, you take a solid trade to the upside. Whatever. All right. So it's up to you. Be careful. You got to go according to your own trading plan. Now, I've already put out some videos already for gold, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, pound, US dollar, euro, USD, and US dollar itself. All right, the US dollar index. I put out analysis for all of them for the upcoming week. Go check them out. Make sure you leave a like and or a boost and or a comment or question, and I would appreciate it. It helps my channel grow. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. May profits be upon you.